I received my orders through online from Healthy by Nature. So I ordered dried mango. Dried mango is one of my favorite. So I ordered 4 boxes. And today we are going to make one of the best recipe that I had, and I want to share it to all of you. And of course, to give a unique flavor, I will put a dried mango to this recipe. Let me ready now the dried mango. This is 100 grams. So I need to cut it into small pieces. So to easily cut it, I use the scissor. And now the dried mango is ready, as you can see. So what are the other ingredients that we need? So we need 500 ml of coconut milk, 400 grams of glutinous rice flour, 300 ml of condensed milk, 2 grams of salt, 250 grams of brown sugar, and of course 100 grams of Healthy by Nature dried mango. The first thing we need to do, we need to toast the glutinous rice flour to turn into a brown color. For this 400 grams of glutinous rice flour, we need to get 300 grams for the mixture, and we will set aside 100 grams for dusting. After that, we will ready now the liquid ingredients. So we need to put now the coconut milk, okay, the condensed milk. Just continue mixing, okay, and then we need to add now the dried mango. Add the sugar, and add the salt. Just simmer it until boiling. But you need to mix it from time to time, okay? And now I will add the 300 grams of glutinous rice flour. Just mix it all together until incorporated. Just continue mixing until it was formed like a dough. And now it's ready, and we had to cool it down. So now I ready a plastic sheet that I usually use for tempering a chocolate. I just sprinkle on top of the sheet a glutinous rice flour, the 100 grams that I set aside earlier. Okay, and now we have to flatten the dough. I just flatten it by the use of the rolling pin, 2 cm thickness, in rectangular shape. It's very easy to flatten the dough by the use of the plastic sheet. Okay, if you don't have plastic sheet, you can use a baking paper so that it will not stick to your rolling pin. I started cutting it. I always start in the middle so that it was uniform in size. And now it's ready, my glutinous rice espasol with mango flavor. Let me try it. It's so delicious, really. I really feel the mango flavor. Okay? Try to do it in your home. Like and share this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and follow me in Instagram and Facebook page. And of course, don't forget to click the bell so that you will notify whenever I uploaded a new video for you. And again, this is Chef Deborah. Thank you for watching.